PayPal Pay Later Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. They assume PayPal Pay Later is just another credit card or traditional loan. The surprising truth about PayPal Pay Later in 2025 is that it's a flexible, interest-free option for spreading the cost of purchases, but it comes with nuances that can affect your finances if you're not careful. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know, from how it works, eligibility, fees, and real-world examples, to insider tips that help you maximize its benefits. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use PayPal Pay Later effectively, what to watch out for, and whether it's truly worth it or better to skip it. Let's start with the basics. PayPal Pay Later is a service that allows shoppers to split eligible purchases into multiple payments. In 2025, the most common option is for interest-free installments paid every 2 weeks. There's also a longer-term Pay in 6 option for higher-priced purchases, which allows you to spread payments over 6 months, sometimes with interest depending on your account and region. Now let's talk about eligibility. To use PayPal Pay Later, you need a PayPal account in good standing, be at least 18 years old, and have a verified payment method link, typically a debit or credit card or bank account. In 2025, PayPal uses automated checks to determine eligibility at checkout, considering factors like account history, payment behavior, and risk assessment. Most approved users can immediately select PayPal Pay Later on eligible purchases. Now, let's talk about how it works. When shopping online or in store at merchants that accept PayPal, select PayPal as your payment method. If eligible, the Pay Later option will appear. For example, if you're buying a $200 item, PayPal Pay Later will split it into $4.50 payments. The first payment is due at checkout, and subsequent payments are automatically deducted every 2 weeks from your linked account. Now, let's talk about fees and interest. One of the biggest advantages is that most PayPal Pay Later installments are interest-free. However, in 2025, certain long-term options or missed payments can incur fees or interest. For instance, if you choose the Pay in 6 plan and miss a payment, late fees apply. It's crucial to monitor your schedule and ensure funds are available in your linked account. Now, let's talk about eligible purchases. Not every PayPal transaction qualifies. In 2025, most online purchases from PayPal merchants are eligible, but digital subscriptions, gift cards, and certain financial services may not be. Always check for the Pay Later option at checkout and review the terms for the specific merchant. This prevents unexpected declines or plan changes. Now let's talk about real-world examples. Consider Emma, who wanted a $400 camera for her photography hobby. By choosing PayPal Pay Later, she paid $100 upfront and scheduled 3 more payments over 6 weeks. This allowed her to start using the camera immediately without straining her budget. Similarly, John used PayPal Pay Later for a $150 gaming console purchase, splitting it into 4 manageable payments and avoiding credit card interest. Now, let's talk about benefits. The main benefits are cash flow management, avoiding interest on purchases, and flexibility. You can make larger purchases without paying the full amount upfront. Automated payments reduce the risk of forgetting installments, and integration with PayPal ensures wide merchant acceptance. It's also safer than using credit cards for those who want to control spending. Now, let's talk about potential drawbacks. The primary drawback is the risk of overspending. Interest-free installments can create a false sense of affordability, leading to purchases beyond your means. Missed payments can lead to late fees, negative impacts on your PayPal account, and reduced eligibility for future Pay Later transactions. Additionally, not all merchants support Pay Later, so flexibility is limited in some cases. Now, let's talk about managing your installments. In 2025, the PayPal app makes tracking simple. You can view upcoming payments, adjust your funding source, or even pay early without penalties. Setting calendar reminders or notifications ensures you never miss a due date. Remember, even one missed installment can impact your account standing. Now, let's talk about comparison with other options. Compared to credit cards, PayPal Pay Later often has no interest for short-term installments. Unlike personal loans, there's no lengthy approval process or fixed contract. However, it lacks benefits like rewards points or purchase protections beyond PayPal's standard buyer protections. In 2025, it is best used for short-term, manageable purchases rather than replacing long-term financing. Now, let's talk about tips for maximizing benefits. Plan purchases according to your budget and pay attention to installment schedules. Use PayPal Pay Later for items you would have purchased anyway, avoiding impulsive spending. Pay early if you can, to reduce the risk of missed payments. Monitor your PayPal account for promotional offers, like zero-interest plans for longer periods on select purchases. Now, let's talk about security. PayPal's buyer protection applies to purchases made with Pay Later, just like standard PayPal transactions. Fraud protection, secure checkout, and account monitoring add peace of mind. In 2025, the platform also provides alerts for unusual activity and secure management of your linked funding sources. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. Many users mistakenly treat PayPal Pay Later like a credit card and purchase more than they can afford. Others forget to verify their linked funding method, resulting in failed payments. Another mistake is not checking merchant eligibility, leading to declined plans. Avoiding these pitfalls ensures a smooth experience and preserves your financial flexibility. Now, let's talk about the surprising truth about PayPal Pay Later. Many shoppers underestimate its convenience and accessibility. With proper planning, it can replace short-term credit card usage, reduce interest payments, and allow immediate access to goods without debt accumulation. Used wisely, it's a tool to manage cash flow and maximize financial flexibility in 2025. Now, let's answer the big question. Is PayPal Pay Later worth it in 2025? Yes, if you understand its terms, manage payments responsibly, and use it for planned purchases. It's excellent for spreading costs on high-ticket items, avoiding interest, and maintaining budget control. However, it is not a free pass to overspend. Discipline and monitoring are essential for success. So let me ask you something. Do you want to let big purchases stress your budget, or do you want a safe, flexible, interest-free way to manage payments responsibly? If this PayPal Pay Later review helped you, hit the like button so others can learn these strategies too. Subscribe for more financial tips, and comment below what would be the first purchase you'd split using PayPal Pay Later in 2025. Smart spending is about timing, planning, and leveraging tools effectively, and in 2025, PayPal Pay Later offers all three when used wisely.